Hey everyone, the camper is packed. I know that doesn't seem like it has a lot to do with RC, but um, shh, don't tell the wife I'm bringing some RC cars. Hello everyone, just because we're camping doesn't mean we're not going to have some RC vehicle adventures for you. Today, check it, we got the Syncro. And man, do I got a beautiful spot over here to run it. So I've made just a couple of changes. We added a fan to the motor, and I added a receiver with a gyro. So we're going to see if we can't tame this two-wheel drive RC out here in the woods with a gyro. And I'm also just going to run 3S. We're not going to run 4S on it, even though it can run 4S. We're going to see how good it does just on a 3S pack. So let's go have some fun. Check it out. We got some gyro action. Now I just have to see if I make it down there without hurting myself. This is some steep stuff here. Oh boy. Check it out, man. This is like where they do tent camping. Not that many people tent camp, so look at all this. This looks absolutely amazing. Now I kind of wish I had like an all-wheel drive car to rip through here, but we shall see. Oh yeah, already feeling better. Oh wow. It's still, yeah, it could still kick. Let's see, how much gyro do we have? Okay, so that beep there is about half, so that's about where we'll run it. If you guys are wondering, this is the Dumbo, the DDF 350. This is a little bit more money, but I really like this because you can program settings and it keeps it. My other Dumbo, it's you have to change like the settings every time, like your trim or throttle or like steering reverse and stuff like that, where this one keeps it, but this one only holds 10 cars. So I try to just, if I'm gonna use a Dumbo on a car, use like maybe my better cars, and that would be my Corgi. That's my Corgi. You wouldn't believe the bark of such a little dog. Man. Wow, I'll tell you what. So you could still kick the back end around, but it's definitely a lot more controllable. Oh, there we go. Self-recovery. Oh, this is definitely way better driving. I'll tell you what, man, this is some pretty rugged friggin' terrain here. We're parked on a rock. See, that's where like an all-wheel drive would. But I'm trying to find like a nice, maybe somewhat smoother area. But this ain't bad. Ooh. Of course, I'm on a 3S as well, so that's kind of calmed it down a bit. What do we got caught up here? What do we got caught? Some pine needles. I bet you. Oh no, chassis don't look too bad. I really thought it was going to be all kinds of oh, here we go. This might look like a good spot. Well, see, like that, it still can bring that back end around. I really think too, a softer compound tire in the back is going to really help this thing. Might even need a little bit more gyro. Yeah, I don't know. You know, they market this as a beginner car, and I really think that's kind of a mistake. The way I see it, because a beginner's gonna have a hard time. I mean, I'm not any professional racer. If you watch me when I run these things at the track, you know, I'm no pro by any means, but I think I do all right. You know, especially wide open driving like this. And this is it is a handful. Oh, shoot. Damn, right through the friggin' wheel. How in the world? Look at that. It's like through the wheel. Wow, that's a first. Yeah, honestly, I mean, a lot of cars here have been coming out lately, two-wheel drive, and I don't know why. I don't know what the, obsession or whatever, or they feel like the need. I mean, I understand, you know, maybe way back when I first got in the hobby, it was just, you know, they're still figuring things out, and maybe brushed motors just weren't the best thing to try to drive an extra set of wheels. Plus, you know, they really didn't need it. They didn't have that much power. But now these things are putting down such tremendous power. You kind of need the all-wheel drive. Now, that being said, if you do want to enhance your driving skills, make yourself a better driver, this will help. 'Cause man, you really got to manage throttle and steering a whole lot more on this. Because I was like, all this here, I don't even begin to be full throttle to get this thing to spin out. Like, see if you guys can watch. Look, I'm doing donuts, I'm barely on it. So I don't know, yeah, I think if Corrali would have gave you a gyro with this, I think you would have had a little better kind of out of the box experience from some of the other reviewers I've seen that did this, because it was pretty much, you nail the gas and the thing would, even like half throttle, it would just spin around circles. It was really just uncontrollable. But a gyro definitely helps. And to be honest, I mean, it's not, the Dumbo's not exactly the best gyro in the world. I have a feeling if I put the Spectrum receiver in here at the gyro, I'd have be a lot better experience. Plus, then if I hooked it to something like my IXSR, I could program in a little better throttle control. But damn, Spectrum is proud of those damn receivers. Like 80, 90 bucks. But yeah, hey, check it out, man. The Syncro. Simple modification of a gyro. I mean, this whole radio system is not even that much. I'll put a link down below. It's also in my Amazon store, but I think these are 60, 70, maybe 90. Can't remember. You know, prices are always changing. You can get the basic Dumbo that doesn't have the screen that you can actually bind more than 10 cars to. I think you can get it and a gyro for like 40 bucks, $45. All right, everyone. Man, the wife is making breakfast, and we're gonna go enjoy this beautiful campground that we're at. But they're calling for rain later today, and then I think tomorrow looks like it's gonna be a rain out. So I wanted to go ahead, take advantage of sorry, some of this daylight, dry running conditions, and I figure if tomorrow, if it rains all day, I'll have a video to edit and put out. I also got my boat in the RV, because down there is a big lake. So I'm gonna have some fun. I also have to shoot the 1-year review on that as well. But guys, man, ooh, yeah. Oh, almost got out. Almost. The limitations of 2-wheel drive. But yeah, man, world of difference with the gyro. Actually, quite drivable. Yeah, this gyro is not the best. It just like turns the wheel sometimes, but it is a big help. I refuse to put one of the Spectrum ones in here. For me personally, I don't know, 2-wheel drive is not that fascinating. So I don't know. I still want to take this to the track, run it, and just see how it does. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, if you really want to hone your driving skills, this would be a good way to do it. And I probably would have a better driving experience too if it wasn't so. If you look down, there's a lot of big rocks, a lot of roots. This isn't like the typical place that I normally run these cars, but we're going to be camping for a week, and I want to keep the content flowing for you guys. So, I'll tell you what though, man, I do have a smile on my face. I am having fun because I'm out here doing the RC thing. So, hope you guys enjoyed. I still, I might loosen that slipper a little bit, but I don't know. I'm not sure if it's going to be necessary. I might just try to find some better tires for the back. Guys, man, the Syncro 2-wheel drive. Pretty fun RC if you buy one. Said, add a gyro, man. It's gonna change it. It's gonna make a world of difference in how it runs. Because I mean, like here, this is like severely bumpy, rooty stuff, and it's doing pretty good. You see, it's bouncing and jumping and skipping. It's and it's doing great. Oh, I should have probably came up here, but I was trying to stay away from other campers because I mean, not like these things are super loud, but it can make some noise. And then I got my dog barking left and right up there. Yeah, this thing is night and day difference. I know Corrales kind of has that deep racing heritage, and they probably like, oh, gyro, screw that. We don't need no gyro. But I tell you what, man, my two-wheel drive, especially something you're marketing towards, beginners, I think that really would have helped. First impressions with these cars. But being built on the Syncro 4, and that is such a solid platform, it is. I got no question that the car is going to, be durable and hold up. That part for a beginner is good. But the Syncro. All right, everyone. I got to go get some breakfast and spend some time with the wife. So I hope you enjoyed watching the Syncro run. Gyro, definitely recommend. Like I said, you don't even have to spend a whole lot of money. Get a Dumbo setup, and it makes a world of difference in the car. So hope you appreciate, hope you enjoyed watching the Syncro run here at the campsite. A little different scenery for you. Love doing this. This is awesome. So thanks for watching. See you next.